Top 10 Auto Repair in San Francisco. 1. San Francisco Automotive Solutions, 5,342 reviews, Harrison Street. 2. Sunset Auto Care, 5,119 reviews, Irving Street. 3. Auto City Repair, 573 reviews, Folsom Street. 4. Earthling Hybrid and EV Repair, 4.9 784 reviews, Bayshore Boulevard. 5. A B&W Service Center, 4.9 554 reviews, 26th Street. 6. Pat's Garage, 4.9 506 reviews, 26th Street. 7. Action Auto Care, 4.9 156 reviews, 17th Street. 8. KSH Automotive, 4.9 134 reviews, Eddy St. 9. Horizon Auto Repair, 4.9 79 reviews, Bryant Street. 10. 11th Street Auto Repair, 4.9 60 reviews, 11th Street.